So when we're in AutoCAD Mechanical 2010, what happens to the workspaces? Now, workspaces are current in AutoCAD 2008, 2009 and 2010. They're subtly different though in AutoCAD Mechanical. The reason being for that, we're in a mechanical environment rather than a standard general drawing and drafting environment. As usual, the workspaces are located down on the status bar at the bottom of the screen. There's mechanical there, and if I click on the flyout arrow and go to workspace switching there, you can see we've got mechanical, structure and mechanical classic workspaces. I can save my current settings as a different workspace if I want to. I can also change my workspace settings, and if I click on customize, that will actually bring up, as you can see, if you take a few seconds now to watch the screen, your CUI dialog box will appear. As you can see, I can now customize the user interface around that particular workspace. What I'm going to do is close the CUI dialog, and I'll go back to my workspaces and click on the flyout again here, and I'm going to go to the structure workspace. Very different, you'll notice, to the mechanical workspace. Now you'll notice if I just click here and drag, we've got the Vault toolbar again. I'm going to close that. I don't actually want that, so that'll go now and disappear. But notice now I have a structure catalog and what they call a mechanical browser. Now what I've got here is basically ways and means of navigating how the mechanical drawings that I create are all linked together. So if you look at the structure catalog, it looks remarkably like Design Center in AutoCAD. You've got external drawings that you might bring in, you've got your favorites, and you've got your current drawing. You've got definitions of mechanical structures in your drawing, things like powertrains, nuts and bolts, and so on. And that will give you a preview down here. And as you can see, we have a mechanical browser that shows all the relationships between those structures. So that's what it's all about. It's about building up and linking things together. You'll notice that you have a browser like this also in Autodesk Inventor that links assemblies and parts together. Similar philosophy, similar idea. Okay, let's have a look at the last workspace now. I'll click on Structure there on the status bar and go to Mechanical Classic. What does this one look like? You should all recognize this one. As you can see, look, plenty of toolbars, steel shapes, content libraries, you've got compression springs. As you can see, it's all information that works with AutoCAD Mechanical. So not only have you got your standard drafting tools, for example, there's line, polyline and so on, you've got all your mechanical drafting tools. Look at the modify toolbar. You've got move and copy, but you've also got things like, you'll notice there, power copy, power view. It creates a top view from a side view of a standard part. All tools to make you more productive. As usual, we get the Vault toolbar. I'll close that again. And I'm going now back to mechanical. And this will take me back to the ribbon view of AutoCAD Mechanical 2010. Now all those tools we've just seen are available here on the ribbon. We just go to the tabs instead, like so. There's Insert, Annotate, Parametric. They're all there. We've just got to find them, that's all. And that doesn't take long. The ribbon interface is so much easier to use than any other AutoCAD interface I've actually used in my 21 years of using AutoCAD. So that's how your workspaces work. Also notice as well on the Quick Access toolbar, I can quickly put the menu bar back on, and that will appear there. What I could do is go down to here and do a Save Current As, and that would save that menu bar as part of the mechanical workspace if I wanted to.